The Genesis G80 replaces the old Hyundai Genesis and becomes a more global model. Genesis is still owned by Hyundai, but it stands as a separate brand now. And to mark the occasion, various updates have been applied. It looks pretty much the same as the Hyundai version, but you might notice the new headlights and LED taillights, and revised front and rear bumper bars. There's also a sharper front grille, and some new look alloy wheels, measuring 19 inches in the case of this Ultimate variant. They're wrapped in staggered width tyres front and rear as well. Open the door and you're presented with a lush and luxurious cabin. The soft leather seats are very comfortable and perfectly suitable for long hours behind the wheel. Up on the dash is a fairly basic touchscreen media interface. It is user-friendly and straightforward, but misses out on modern tech such as Apple CarPlay. Likewise, the instrument cluster is a bit behind the current class standards. Rear seat accommodation is very impressive. There's loads of room and passengers are treated to their own flip-down console, with seat heating and cooling for the outer positions and media control. Boot space is rated at 433 litres, which is a bit behind the class standards. There is a handy first aid kit and emergency triangle though, as well as a net to secure smaller items. Power comes from the same velvet smooth yet aged 3.8 litre V6. We did test 0 to 100 recently during the official media launch. However, we couldn't quite achieve the same results this time around. We put this down to the cooler weather and less fuel on board during the previous test. This is what it goes like.